Good morning, students. I am Kamal Nath and I welcome all my dear students in my class of English. Students, today I am going to start a new chapter, Unit 4. And in this chapter, I am going to explain you the story that is Fight. Let us see what is in the story, and I am sure that you will enjoy this story. As the title is given, The Fight, you must have imagined what might be the content of the story. In this story, you can enjoy and you will enjoy the boxing match between the two friends, and that match is very interesting. How that is interesting and why that is interesting, we shall know later part in the story. So first let us see here main characters of the story. Here you can see in the picture two friends. Two friends are here that I have taken the picture from your textbook. You have here this picture on page 33. Main characters of the story. These are the two players, two brothers, two friends. Who are the main characters of the story? Who are they? First of all, let us know the name of first player, Antonio Cruz. One is Antonio Cruz and the other character, the other player is Felix Burgess. So, you have here two characters in the story, Antonio Cruz and Felix brothers. They are not only boxers, they are not fighters, they are great friends, deep friends, bosom friends. For last 17 years, they have been friends. They love each other, they trust each other, and in every way they honor each other. So let us see here about the story. Just I will discuss first. Let me tell you about the author of the story. Author is the main character because he or she only write this story. They only write the story for us and we enjoy the story. At the same time we learn. They are the motivators. They only motivate us. They only give the new perception of our life through their stories, through their language, through their imagination. So they are no doubt the motivator and we must know about them before knowing the story, before the other characters. The author of this story is P.D. Thomas. You can see in the picture I have taken some photos of P.D. Thomas. The first one I have shown you here. You can see the other photo of P.D. Thomas on the screen right now. Here let us know about him some more information. P.D. Thomas was born on 30 September 1928. P.D. Thomas was born on 30 September 1928 and he died on 17 October 2011. Student, these dates are very important. We must learn. You must write down these dates and you must learn them because for the preparation of your examination, these facts are very, very important. Next one you see, autobiography. Many books that he wrote became very popular. He wrote several stories, short stories, novels, and the most popular book he wrote and was sold here in millions, that was autobiography. P.D. Thomas autobiography. The name of autobiography was Down These Mean Streets. Down These Mean Streets. He wrote this book in which he wrote his whole life story truly. He wrote his life story in just honest way so that everything he could write and describe about his life. And he has struggled a lot. His life was full of ups and downs. He enjoyed his life. he became famous, he got name and fame. At the same time, he also suffered in his life. He had to visit the jail as well. He was imprisoned also. So, at the age of 83, he died, but he wrote so many things for all of us today that we can learn, we can enjoy, and the work of P.D. Thomas can inspire us. So let us move and see further more here things that is here in the topics to be covered today, that I am going to cover you topics. First of all, I will describe you what is the content of the part that I will explain, and after that I will explain some hard words that is also mentioned in these pages. So I will explain the hard words and their meanings, and then I will explain you multiple choice questions as well from the exercise only, from our exercise story. So let us see in the content, what is in the content that I am going to cover. In this content you can find two friends, Antonio Cruz and Felix Burgess, are informed that they are going to fight each other in division final 2 weeks away, means after 2 weeks they were going to fight against each other. Then we shall study in the same part, both of them met each other on the river's edge. They met each other on the edge of Brooklyn River, and they concluded in what way they would fight, they would face and make the game interesting. They decided how to fight each other. They promised to fight fairly, behaving with each other like they are strangers. So this is what here the content that is in the first video I will explain you. Here students, let me detail it about the two friends, Antonio and Felix. Both were very strong friends. Their relationship of friendship was so strong that no one could shake, and so they got the invitation. These two friends, bosom friends, got the invitation that they had to fight each other in division finals, and it was only very challenging for the two friends. How would they face each other? How would they fight each other? They were friends, and especially in the boxing match is to hurt each other with the punches. You know very well, with the punches they are hurting each other, attacking each other with their fist, with the fist. In the fist they have the gloves, and with that gloves they attack to each other's face. So this was what the challenging task, how they would fight, how would they face, and how could they make the game interesting. As a number of spectators were coming to visit the match. These two players were very renowned, very famous, and the people gave them high respect. They loved these players. These players had set, no doubt, a good ideas among them about their personality, about their performance, and so the people had great idea, great respect for them. So they had to prove in the match that they were true players. They had the true sense of sportsmanship, and with that spirit only they could play and they could prove that they were great players, they were good players. So they had to discuss about them. Both of them one day, while they were running lightly along the river edge, they stopped, and Felix told Antonio, "Friends, we both are going to face each other in the boxing match, right?" No doubt his friend told, "Yes, right." So it is very essential for both of us that we should decide in which format we are going to play, what will be our spirit, in what way we can exhibit our skill, our talent and our capacity, so that we can try our best to win. You will try to win, you will try your best, and I will try my best to win. At the same time, we have to attract the charm of the audience so that they can also feel happy. We have to make them also cheerful during our fight. So what will be the way that we should play? So on that, both of them decided that they would first behave like strangers. They would behave like strangers in the ring. When they would reach in the ring, they would not think that they are friends. They would only think that they were players, they were fighters, they were boxers, and they had to play. Each of them had to win. With that spirit, they had to play. Both of them decided this. They also told each other that they have to behave like they never met each other. They have never met each other in their life. In that way, they have to present themselves in the ring, on the floor of the game. And so, at last they decided that onwards, till the match was going to start, match was going to be held, they will not meet each other. They will be away from each other, and they will prepare, they will try their best in what way they could play and make the game interesting. So this is part what here very interesting. This only makes this fact that the two best friends are going to face each other, especially in the boxing match, where each one had to hurt each other, to blast each other through with their just fist, this fist. You know, in the boxing match how they are just playing. So they concluded on that matter and they decided that they would. So that was what the promise both of them just set in their mind and decided to start the game, to play the game with this spirit. What happened next? That I will explain in the next part of the video. And here you can see, that is important words on these here pages, some important words. These words are our wealth and property, precious wealth. You should not only see the explanation, you must write in your copy of English, you must learn and practice them in your daily uses. When you will practice these words, certainly that will become yours forever. The first word that you can see is aspiring. Aspiring means dreaming or wishing to be something or someone. Here Antonio and Felix were also aspiring lightweight champions. Aspiring means they were also dreaming and wishing to be the champions, lightweight champions. So this is the clear what is the meaning of aspiring. Aspiring means dreaming or wishing, wanting to become something or someone. Lightweight champions. Lightweight champions, boxing champions in the lightweight category, a category of boxers of a certain weight. Some more words are here, my dear, on the next page. Blasting. Blasting is a striking hard, a striking hard. I have already told you this here, this word here. Then is next word, hermano. Hermano. That is what? A Spanish word. Here H is silent. We have to pronounce this one. Pronunciation is already helped only on this page. How have you to pronounce? That is hermano. It is a Spanish word which means brother. This is used for brother. So student, let us now proceed to the exercise. That is MCQ, multiple choice questions on page 36 and 37. Page 36 and 37. Let us see. Choose the correct answer, that is multiple choice questions. First question. First question is, when Antonio and Felix went for their daily run, they had something on their minds. What was something on their minds? Each of them was wondering. What each of them was wondering? You see the options. First one is how to defeat the other. Second, how the fight might affect their friendship. And then is how to avoid fighting other. Here the option that is given, in that option you have to tick the first option, that is how to defeat the other. The first one option, how to defeat the other, that is the correct answer. Proceeding here to next one. Here you can see second question. The training days passed too slowly because the training period was very long. Second one, the training was very difficult. And the third option is the fighters felt nervous about facing each other. And certainly that is the third one, the last one is only the correct option. Thus this third one is the correct option. The fighters felt nervous about facing each other. Proceed to next question, that is third one. Match was important to the community because it had become a tradition for aspiring champions. It was judged by great boxers of yesteryear. And the third and last option is given, it meant school holidays. So the last two is no doubt incorrect. The first one, that is it had become a tradition for aspiring champions, that is what the correct answer, that is the first one. Now you see the next one. Next question, fourth. During the match, the two friends pulled punches to spare each other, fought hard and fair, fought unequally with one outdoing the other. What will be the answer? So let us see. That will be fought hard and fair. The second one answer, fought hard and fair. Second one option is the correct here. As I have already told you, both the friends fought fairly and they did everything to make the game interesting. They fought hard, they fought fairly. So that is what the option, second option is the answer of this one. Next is here, last one. They knew they would always be champions to each other. This statement means the fighters knew that both of them would be champions. The fighters knew that none of them would be the champion. And the last one option is the fighters knew they would always love and respect each other. I am sure that you must have understood and you must have selected. You are right. The option number 3 is the correct answer. The fighters knew they would always love and respect each other. So these were the multiple choice questions, and I am sure that you must have understood this one. You will note down all that in your book and you will learn them by heart. So this was what for today, and certainly we shall meet here next day with some new facts. Till then, goodbye. Thank you being with me.